Misos, you tell me. Those who get embarrassed. After I cancel my boots, I tell you can know how to thank you. What is it? There you go.
Regulations in Zimbabwe, people should not build a house without council approved plans in Zimbabwe. Demolitions spark a heated debate on a story Ivo vachitas no miramusha is severe housing shortages ndoiro konzeresa kuti vawana vange vachivaka dzimba pano pasina kuaprovwa mune Zimbabwe. City officials aramba akamira nechiitiko ichi vachitaura Ivo vachiti they are not going to compromise chinzi their goals avanawo Harare urban planning mune Zimbabwe chinzi, so they are going to make sure kuti vademolisha dzimba dzese dzakavakwa zvisiri pamutemo. Nyaya yabuditswa neZimbabwean Mail vachitaura vachiti the city of Harare demolished dozens of houses in Ridgeview and Belvedere today, labeling the structures as illegal. The demolitions are part of a broader citywide operation aimed at removing unauthorized buildings that city officials say disrupt urban planning efforts. Harare Mayor Mafume asked about regularization of these structures instead of them being demolished and said, how do you regularize an illegal purchase where someone takes council land, sells it to people? Despite warnings, people proceed to build. Everyone who has property on land must make sure their title is solid. You need approved plans to build your property. Harare's Director of Planning, Samuel Nyabeza, defended the action, stressing the importance of compliance with urban development regulations. You cannot build a house without council-approved plans. We have to restore order, Nyabeza stated, emphasizing that adherence to planning laws is essential to maintain organized development within the city. The demolition has sparked heated debate among residents, many of whom point to Harare's severe housing shortages as a factor driving the surge in unauthorized construction. Some urge that these demolitions only worsen the housing crisis, especially as the city struggles to keep pace with the demand for affordable housing. City officials, however, remain firm in their stance. They urge that unauthorized structures not only compromise Harare's urban planning goals, but also put additional strain on essential services and infrastructure, which are already stretched thin. The operation marks a continued effort by Harare authorities to enforce building regulations amid rapid urban expansion, with more demolitions expected in other neighborhoods in the coming weeks. Zimbabwean Mail Zimbabwe twangusiya muchiona maitikiro aita chiitiko ichi inorwadza inosirisa dzimba dzapwanyo vanhu vazhinji valuza ma-thousands in the process. Dzimba dzanga dzakavakwa muri Zimbabwe. Toti mungoona mamwe dzezvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu-comment section.
Ndozvikuti lezvi. Izvozvi uchaka kunoko. Ndozvikuitika muBare izvi. After kansala Mabuse vataura. Nyika inovakwa nevene vayo. Kuti kutongo uyu azongoti mimi akuda kutora nzvimbo. Makamira sani. Sapoti tiyo yozvadiwe. Thank you. What is it? There you go. I'm gonna party. Those two